Hey, it's Abhi here. Today I want to talk about the single biggest reason affiliate marketers stay stuck. And it's not about traffic or conversions or products. It's about having a broken map. And I'm going to explain right now, right? So this is you here. And this is the result that you want, that are regular, consistent affiliate commissions. But does this thing in the middle look familiar to you? When you go and start affiliate marketing or any online business really, you are exposed to something called SEO, right? And then someone tells you to go to and do Facebook organic marketing, and then someone else tells you to go and do ads for fast results, and someone goes and tells you to do TikTok since that has more and faster exposure, and then someone tells you to go to YouTube and do long form content since people are more engaged and are more likely to convert to buyers, and then someone else tells you to go and start email marketing or cold prospecting, whatever. Someone tells you to go to Instagram, someone tells you to then go to Pinterest, and you go and create this mess really. And then what happens is you end up with a dozen of half-baked, half-finished projects, a ton of confusion, and an income that's very inconsistent. It's nowhere near your goal of consistent affiliate commissions. You are making $1 here, you are making $1 there, $1 here, a sale here, an affiliate commission here, but nothing is consistent. It's a maze really. And this thing here is the number one cause of the shiny object syndrome. And that is exactly why you are worried, why you are overwhelmed, and why you are stuck. And let me tell you that I have been in this same position for years before I actually started to make consistent affiliate commission. So I realized we don't need all these tactics here. We just need a simple, reliable engine, an engine that does two things perfectly. And that is part one, the traffic engine, and part two, the conversion engine. The job of this engine is to focus only on buyer intent traffic. These are the people that have their credit cards out and they're actively searching for a solution to their problem, and they don't shy away from buying a solution, buying a software, buying a course to solve that problem that they have. And this is the exact traffic that we need to focus on. We do not want to chase trends, right? People ask you to change trends, get more views. Nope, we do not chase trends. We get in front of buyers. That's our job to do. So once we figure that out, we have our traffic engine ready, right? Now comes the conversion engine, a reliable, repeatable machine to turn those viewers that you get from into commissions, right? Into affiliate income consistently. And this needs to be something that you build once and just forget about it. It will spit out commissions for you. So instead of going through a maze like this, if you have just focused on building that traffic engine, that is focusing on one traffic source where you know that you will get buyers, you get in front of those buyers. And part two, if you only had the conversion engine that will convert whatever traffic, whatever visitors that you are getting into affiliate commissions, that's all you need. You do not need thousands of views. You just need few views that converts into the affiliate commissions, right? And this is the exact system that I have been creating, I have been using to achieve this. And so the traffic engine is my buyer wave method, where I focus on launch jacking and review videos to actually get buyer intent traffic. Buyers are coming to my videos. And part two, my conversion engine, and I call it ACE, that is affiliate commission engine. And this is something that I built, which is a step-by-step blueprint for building a faceless YouTube channel that becomes your automated sales machine. It focuses on YouTube overall with buyer wave method and with other strategies to bring in these sorts of buyers who are actively looking for the solution, and combining these two, you will have the complete system to build a consistent income machine. Put your head down, follow this, and you'll be able to do it. And this is that buyer wave method where I solely focus on launch jacking and get quick commissions from that buyer intent traffic, which I sell for $27. And then there is an affiliate commission engine that I haven't revealed that much yet, but this is a complete affiliate marketing system and I sell it for $97 privately. And to prove all this, I also have the $0 to $100 per day affiliate case study, which I sell for 37, as you can see, 47 sales here. And in here, I do everything from scratch, applying the Barway method, applying the affiliate commission engine, that is offer selection, landing page creation, bonuses, traffic generation, email automation, results. Okay. And in traffic generation, I have shown you another free strategy apart from YouTube, and that is Facebook organic traffic strategy. And you can combine that with YouTube to actually build that organic traffic source that will serve you for years to come, and combine that with the affiliate commission engine. You're going to get consistent results. Okay. And so what I decided to do was I have created a special offer here, and that is to combine all these three, the buyer wave method, the affiliate commission engine, and the case study, and give that to you in a bundle called affiliate fast track system. And I am going to give that all away for $67. This is a special offer. There will be a timer here. This is for next 12 days. And if you're watching this video and if you're still saying this price, then you're able to get it. Until when do you think you will stop doing this mess here? And it's about time you start something worthwhile, start building a business instead of a hobby, and actually get that consistent sales, consistent commissions that will make a difference in your life. So yeah, even if you don't get it, you know that you are in this mess and you just want to find that the traffic engine that you like. It could be YouTube. I teach YouTube, I teach Facebook, but it could be anything, right? Once you find that, you need to find that conversion engine for yourself that will convert those viewers into sales as well. Just getting traffic is not enough. If you get 100 views and get one sale, it's not enough. If you get 100 views and get, like, let's say 10 sales, 20 sales, that makes all the difference in the world. And that's the job of the conversion engine. And it should be pretty simple. It should be stupid simple, right? Do not overcomplicate things. People tend to go and create all these extravagant funnels and they just end up confusing themselves. They end up changing the offers, they end up changing the headlines and whatnot. So yeah, if you actually want the affiliate fast track system, all the three bundles, all the three products combined in a bundle for just $67, then you can get it right now by clicking that first link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.